it's in a way feasible because externalization entails work outside this. However, it's more on the refining of the office. Through this, first is the backbone of my platform, which is the well-known information of the X team. Here they're explaining and ways for them to apply what they learned. It's forming it into a more services-based one with two sub-departments, finance and marketing. This is where people can work in their forte and train and develop. The next part of my platform is to establish a connection between the OFO and the finance officers and boards. This is done in a way that after training of the experts, there is a deployment to the cluster level so that there is a 1-to-2 ratio. In extreme cases, like for example, HEC with 3 orgs will have 4 deployed to them, and BC with 8 orgs will have, HEC will have 2, and BC will have 4. Currently, the finance office is in a consultative role. It's more on a role wherein we wait for people to approach us. I want to revise this in a way that we approach them instead. With this deployments, there will be routine ICs with the finance officers of these firms. They will see what they want to see as though we will not intrude on their privacy. It is here that we find what their needs and see what can be done. The next one is optimize flows of financial procedures on set of organizations. Whether we like it or not, the process of reimbursement and all the finance procedures are still. There will always be representation and lobbying for it to be served. However, one thing that's not always worked on is ensuring that things on our side are submitted completely and correctly. Here, with the deployments, there is ongoing training for finance officers, as there is a person who is specifically assigned to these people who can help them in the financial procedures. If they have questions, these people will be knowledgeable instead of possibly approaching people who might also not know what to do. Here, assistance where you submitted forms. It minimizes the possibility of forms coming back to us because there are some support documents that are missing. It makes things swifter on our side as it becomes, as it is submitted complete and correct on the first go. Third is the financial management of the council's ECB account. Here, actually, with the council-wide projects and some of the projects that the X-teams are deployed to, there are problems with projects because of mismanagement of the budget and certain inaccuracies in the making of the budget. Here, you can see that I saw that there is a general idea with that bigger budgets mean better budgets, but that's not necessarily the case. That does not equate. In a way that these people are deployed to the clusters, deployed to the projects, training of screening the budget as it is being made and making it more transparent in a sense. It's in a way helping people become more prudent with their decisions with the budget and being more accurate with the budget. When the budget is more accurate, it leaves much room for fiscal discipline. Yes, it is a paradigm shift because it will ask people to become more strict with their budgets. But the point is for to smoothen the transition into this thinking. Because honestly, there shouldn't be an effort made to make sure that what we do is within our budgets. It's supposed to be a given. So with this transition, there will be resources shared at the level where the X-teams are deployed. Like for example, the Blackboard, and also a Blackboard for marketing. The Blackboard actually is something that I also want to refine as it's just a directory. I want it to become a catalog, as though, for example, there are certain gaps with some projects, like for example, Firstly, say that the project has decided that the food will be at 100. The catalog, which will have these details, will make things easier for them to construct their budgets and make it more accurate. Then here, with developing the insight and the deployment of the XTs in which that we make things easier for transition to this new paradigm, there will be much groundwork to be done, and in which I don't expect that there will be much changes, but groundwork instead.